just about to reveal Tim's 46 Ford convertible. Hey, Tim, do you want to tell us a little something about this car?
Why, this car is chopped. It's shaved. It's recessed. Why, it's greased to lightning. Fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah. With a 4-speed on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know, without a doubt, I'll be really making out a grease to lightning. Supreme, chick supreme, a grease of lightning. I'll have me purple French taillights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A ballerina dashboard and two muffler twins, oh yeah. With the distance buttons and shots, she could be the super stocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real wagon wagon, grease of lightning. Golden lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Gold grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat lab tribe. You are supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning. Supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning.
Pretty proud of you. It looks good. It looks great, actually.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, God, it was such a good idea for you to think of greased lightning.
Wow, Heidi was great.
What about us?
Oh, you were in it?
Oh,
Oh, by the way, Dad.
Nah, don't even bother thanking me. It was all you. It was a good idea.
Actually, I wasn't going to. I went way over budget. Can I get reimbursed?
Son, you have a lot to learn about the film business.